Planet Earth, home to over 6 billion people. Today, our very existence is threatened by epidemics, climate change, and dwindling resources. But those are the least of our problems. Welcome to Zombieland. My mother always told me someday you'll be good at something. I mean, I don't think she would have guessed that something would be zombie killing. What y'all think? Zombie kill of the week? Everybody wants some. I want some too. Everybody wants some. Baby, how about you? Yeah! Everybody wants some. Everybody needs some. Everybody wants some. Everybody needs some.
Pew 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 pew.
Everybody wants
pew,
some.
Pew 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 pew.
Wants some too.
Purell, anybody?
Yeah. Yes.